Meaning of hiding.
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 Hiding. The term hiding generally refers to the act of concealing or obscuring someone or something from view or detection. This could involve physical concealment, such as hiding something behind an object or in a secret location, or it could be more abstract, such as hiding one's true intentions or emotions. The result of hiding can vary from intentional deception to protection of oneself or another person or object from harm or unwanted attention. Ultimately, hiding is a strategy used to maintain privacy, security, and control over a situation or information.